Is your Facebook ad account disabled? Well, let me show you how I got my own disabled Facebook ad account back to work in less than 6 hours. So if you log into your Facebook Business Manager and find your Facebook ad account disabled, well, I'm sorry, but you're not alone. In fact, all your Facebook ad coaches and gurus will confess to you that when it comes to your Facebook ad account restricted, disabled, or whatever they choose to call it, we all get served with these crazy problems once in a while. Though I agree that the severity of the issues are not always the same. So let me quickly show you how I got my disabled Facebook ad account solved in just about 5 hours. Now, a disclaimer here. You might not get your own disabled Facebook ad account back in 5 hours or even at all, because there's really no one size fits all when it comes to dealing with Facebook ad account issues. But at least follow these steps and let's see if it will work for you. So I woke up a few days ago in the middle of the night and I got a notification on my Facebook feed that my ad account has been disabled. When I checked my email inbox, I saw the same message. The interesting thing was that I had not even run any ad in the last 1 month, and I don't even have any Facebook ad currently running when Facebook struck my account. Yeah, just like that. So when I experienced this, I really did not panic. This is what I did and it worked, because I got another email notification from Facebook the very same day letting me know that my ad account issues has been fixed. So follow me and let me show you the step-by-step process of how I got this Facebook ad account back and working. So I logged into my business.facebook.com and I clicked on my ad manager and boom, this Facebook account restriction was there waiting for me. In summary, what this is telling me is that the very first thing that I should do to get my account back and working is for me to submit my identity for verification. But I've done this before, but since Facebook is the boss here, I had to play along. So even if you think you have done something like this before, just keep watching. I have a tip that will help you this time. So of course, I clicked on the review button. Just if you don't see this pop up in your own case, I'll show you what to do. Just keep watching. So it brought me to this identity tab, and here I checked that I'm not a robot, and then I scroll down and I click continue. Like I said, again, I had to submit my valid phone number for verification code. I prefer to receive my code via text message. Okay, after about 15 seconds, I got my verification code and then I imputed it here. But just if you did not get your own code after, let's say, 5 to 10 minutes, just click on this second button so Facebook can resend another code to you. So I'll just impute my code here and continue. Okay, my ID was again requested for, so again I will go ahead and upload it and then continue. Your identity information has been submitted. We are reviewing your okay. So I just had to exercise some patience for the review process. I will continue. So now the second step is for me to request a review of this ban. So why are you requesting a review? You can choose anyone here, but as usual, I am not sure which policy was violated, and then send. Thank you for completing the process. We will let you know when we have reviewed your information. They said it may take up to about 48 hours. Okay. So I'll just close, and then what I did was just to go about my normal business. I wasn't expecting any quick response, sincerely, but I was surprised when after about 4 hours, I got another email from Facebook, and here is it. Okay, we have completed a review of your Facebook account. Hi Samuel, we have completed our review of your Facebook accounts. This review determined that your Facebook account does comply with our advertising policies affecting business assets. This review process has included Facebook account advertising related activities. We've reinstated your access to advertising. Any ad that were affected will return to their previous status. So this was it, guys, and this was how I got my account back and working perfectly. But what really happened? Well, I think Facebook AI bots are doing a very terrible job. I am very certain that Facebook AI restricted my account, and the same AI reinstated the account after I made the appeal. So even if you have done this before and maybe it did not work, I want you to go back and do it again. And if it is not successful, if you don't mind, give it another 24 hours and make another request for a review again. The idea here is that since most of the Facebook operations are now being handled by a machine, somehow it will eventually fix your issues. But if you know that you have done something really wrong, then you really want to go and fix whatever it is that you have done wrong before you request for a review. And if your account was permanently restricted because you went against the Facebook rules, well, you can still give this a try, and who knows, maybe Facebook AI could just work in your favor eventually. Lastly, just if you were not given the review pop-up automatically when you logged into your banned account, then watch this video and just go ahead and carry out the Facebook identity process and then manually go to your business manager and request for a review. If I were you, I would keep asking for a review every time my request is turned down until I finally get what I want from Facebook. Let me know if this method worked for you in the comment section, and if you want to see more digital marketing and AI tips like this, then subscribe to this channel and turn on the alert bell so YouTube can notify you when I release new videos. Thank you, and I'll see you in the next one.